MIC 200 Application of Enzyme in Industry and Life. Cosmetics industry has grown over the years. They are used to beautify people regardless the age or gender. Enzyme has been used in cosmetic industry since years ago. For example, we have the enzyme that is extracted from pumpkin that has been used for resurfacing and smoothing the skin. And not just that, enzyme has also been proven to be useful in treating the skin aging, acne, congestion, and also pigmentation. Coenzymes and cofactors in cosmetics such as coenzyme Q10 is used because it is the safest way to promote its efficiency in the skin to help in maintaining the healthy appearance of the skin. Why do coenzymes and cofactors are safe to be used? It is because of its stability and low molecular weight that can be helpful in penetrating through the stratum corneum, which is the outermost layer of the epidermis. Then it will activate the enzymes that are present on it.
Enzymes used as drugs have two important characteristics which are different from traditional drugs. Firstly, unlike drugs, they bind and act on their target with a great affinity. Secondly, they are highly specific and act as catalysts to convert multiple target molecules to the desired product. These two features make enzymes specific and potent drugs that can accomplish therapeutic biochemistry in the body that small molecules cannot. The concept of the therapeutic enzyme has been around for at least 40 years. For example, a therapeutic enzyme was described as part of replacement therapies for genetic deficiencies in 1960. In 1987, the first recombinant enzyme drug, which is Activase, was approved by a Food and Drug Administration (FDA). Adagen is used for the treatment of SCID, represent the first successful application of an enzyme therapy for the inherited disease. The enzyme ADA cleaves the excess adenosine present in the circulation of this patient and reduce the toxicity to the immune system of the elevated adenosine level. The second one is Syahirah. Syahirah is used for the treatment of culture disease. A lysosomal storage disease (LSD) was the first enzyme replacement therapy in which an exogenous enzyme was targeted to its correct compartment within a body. Recombinant DNA technology subsequently allowed the more efficient production of a glucocerebrosidase.
So these a few enzymes that can be used in the making of the detergent. So firstly is protease. Protease speak the breakdown of protein into peptides and soluble amino acid. Protease are basic ingredients in laundry detergents and used worldwide because of their effectiveness on common stain components such as food, grass, and blood. Secondly, cellulase. Cellulase are used in laundry detergents to obtain cleaning and color care and improve overall cleanness. Cellulase also help maintain the brightness of colors on cotton fibers by reducing build-up of fuzz and pills on knitted garments that occur due to normal wear and washing. Thirdly, amylase. Amylase speak the breakdown of starch-based stains from foods such as cereals, gravy, potato, and pasta dishes. In laundry, amylase ensure complete removal of starch at lower wash temperature. And lastly is mannanases. Mannanases target guar and locust bean gum stains left behind by many processed food and personal care products. This enzyme help break these stains down by cutting mannan molecule into tiny sugars that dissolve in the wash water.
Today, I will explain about three important enzymes, which are amylase, protease, and lipase. So, how are these enzymes work? First, I would like to explain about amylase. Salivary amylase is the first step in the chemical digestion of food. This is one of the major reasons that it is so important for people to take time while eating and truly chew their food. initial step in the digestive process is essential to the proper breakdown of food eaten and the ultimate liberation of the nutrients within to be absorbed later in the digestive process. Secondly is another important enzyme to the efficient digestion of food eaten is protease. It is responsible for the primary breakdown of proteins and polypeptides from animals and plants and proline dipeptides from gluten and casein. Last, the body needs another enzyme for the breakdown of fats, oils, and triglycerides. This is where lipase functions. Lipase is necessary for the full digestion of fats to their smaller fatty acid components.
Agricultural enzymes are bioactive proteins which are used instead of chemical for food production and protection. They are also used for crop fertility and protection against various pests and disease. This factor improves crop efficiency and enhance crop growth. In soil ecosystem, phosphates play a major role in phosphorus cycle or P cycle, which correlates to plant growth and phosphorus stress. Phosphatase is an indicator of fertility and it also indicates phosphatase efficiency in the soil. Dehydrogenase is an important enzyme for the biological oxidation of soil. They also indicate microbiological activities in the soil. This process performed by dehydrogenase is related to respiration of microorganisms. In addition, dehydrogenase also indicate any disruption caused by pesticide. Beta-glucosidase is also an important soil fertility enzyme which involved in catalyzing the hydrolysis and biodegradation of other beta-glucosidase enzymes presented in plant debris. Urease is used for hydrolyzing urea fertilizer applied to the soil. This enzyme hydrolyzes urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide along with a rise in soil pH value. Urease extracted from plant and microorganisms degraded rapidly with the help of proteolytic enzyme. Urea is found in extra and intracellular enzyme for both plant and microorganisms.
The importance of enzymes in medical treatment are to monitor the progress of patient regularly in the hospital. Next, biochemistry makes it easier for the nurses to do the diagnosis of clinical condition of the patients. It can be done by measuring the content and changes of certain substances in the body, or through the changes of the original enzyme activity in the body. The enzymatic diagnostic methods based on two aspects, which are changes in the original enzyme activity in the body and changes of certain substances in body fluids that can be detected by enzymes. For example, when the liver is diseased or damaged, enzymes leak into the bloodstream. Testing the blood for these enzymes will ensure liver injury. Other than that, it helps us to understand the chemical aspects of biological processes such as digestion, hormonal action, and muscle contraction, relaxation. One of the enzymes that involved in medical treatment is trypsin. Trypsin is an enzyme that aids with digestion. An enzyme is a protein that speeds up a certain biochemical reaction. Trypsin is found in the small intestine. It can also be made for fungus, plants, and bacteria. Chymotrypsin is an oral proteolytic enzyme preparation which has been in clinical use since the 1960s. This is because it provides better resolution of inflammatory symptoms and promotes speedier recovery of acute tissue injury than several of the other existing enzyme preparations. Trypsin supplements are often used in the skin to help aid in wound debridement. Debridement is a common procedure aimed at helping the body slough off dead tissue, so new tissue can replace it.
With that, thank you for watching.